Happy Wednesday. Good morning. It's hump day. It's the middle of the week. Man, tell you what, when you're trying to do new stuff, it can get a little complicated. So pull it back a little bit. Teach yourself, teach your brain to expect it, to look forward to it. Mostly to just not tell you no. Tell yourself you're going to do it. Make yourself do it. My evening stuff is going pretty well. But it's hard. There ain't nothing about it that's easy. Once you're done, you're happy. So happy Wednesday. Y'all go get yours today. Have yourselves a great day. Be courageous.